Let's look at example 12.2.5. You can see the question says that look at the table over here. They show the values of x and y, where the equation is y equals to 5 minus 2x. Okay, so I've written down in my working as well. Now, for a, they say find the value of a and b. And you can see a and b in this table of values. So a actually corresponds with the value of x when x equals to -1. So now to find the value of a, this is what I do. Okay, I write down this coordinate first, this set of coordinates, so that when I'm doing the explanation, it's clear that I'm doing for this particular set of coordinates. Okay, so I write down when x equals to -1. Okay, I will put the value of x into this equation. You can see this equation is the same as what is given from the question. Y equals to 5 minus 2x. So when y equals to 5 minus 2x, put x equals to -1. You have y equals to 5 minus 2 times -1. Okay, -2 times -1 equals to +2. So you have 5 plus 2 equals to 7. And in here, I will conclude by saying that hence a equals to 7. This step is especially important. If you don't write a, you will be penalized. So take note of that. You must write down a equals to 7. Okay. Now for still part of part A, okay, next part you're supposed to find the value of b. So I write down a set of coordinates which is 4b. Then when x equals to 4, I need to find the value of y, which is b, for b. And here this is the equation of y, 5 minus 2x. Put the value of x equals to 4 in here. So I have -2 times 4 equals to 8. 5 minus 8 equals to -3. Okay, and here again I conclude by saying that hence b equals to -3. Okay, now let's go back to the question to look at what is required of you from b. Now, b, they say that use a scale of 2 cm to 1 unit for the x-axis and 1 cm to 1 unit for the y-axis. Okay, and you're supposed to draw the graph y equals to 5 minus 2x for this range. Okay, I need you to highlight, first thing, 2 cm to 1 unit, highlight x-axis, then highlight 1 cm to 1 unit, highlight y-axis. Okay, last but not least, highlight, okay, the inequality where x is between -2 and 4. Okay, with this set of information, I also wrote it down in my working here. Okay, so this is actually the scale which you have to write down. Okay, scale, x-axis is 2 cm is to 1 unit. That means 2 cm will represent 1 unit. And over here, y-axis, 1 cm will represent 1 unit. Okay, so this is again from the question. Now, x is between, the lowest value of x is -2 and the biggest value of x is 4. Now, I also need to know the smallest and biggest value of y. How do I get -3 and 9? We look at the table of values again here. Okay, from here just now we have found that b is -3. So from the whole table, you know that -3 is the smallest number. And that's why over here, I will write down -3 for y. Okay, it's the smallest value of y. And how do I get 9? So we look at the table again. A is 7, 7 and 9, of course, 9 is bigger. So you know that 9 is the biggest value of y. And here coming back to this, this is how I form my two inequalities for x and y. They are not exactly inequalities in here anymore. They just tell me what was the value of x? What does it range between? It ranges between -2 and 4. That means the lowest value of x is -2, greatest is 4. As for y, the smallest value is -3, the greatest is 9. Okay, so that is all I need. Okay, we are moving on to the graph now.